We're here at the shop just finishing up some stuff on Brock's car, getting ready for wiring this weekend. Got Sean putting up the wastegate. Brock's making some lines over here. Gonna be putting up some banners in here, making the shop look a little less naked. Finishing up some lines.
You guys are missing out, this party's lit. Don't worry about that. Got it. It's the getting started part, that's hard. You only go forwards, that's the key. Hold this for me once it's shaking out of my hands. Alright. I'm gonna catch your buckle.
If you could.
I brought you one.
It's late, we got some lines done, we got some welding done. Welded that up, changed that up, getting everything all set up. What do we got in store for tomorrow?
All we have left is gonna put some coupler or some clamps on here. We gotta get fluids. We're gonna mount the intercooler when we get it back from Peachy so we can make the one pipe. All we have to do is hook the other side up. That's already all welded and done. Besides that, get it to Kevin, get it wired, get a belt on it. We'll be set.
Oh yeah?